As a historical partner in electrification and energy efficiency, we at Rexel constantly strive to make our customers' business activity easier, more efficient and more sustainable. We play an advisory role for our customers by selecting the very best electrification solutions in order that, together, we can accelerate the energy transition. At a time when demand has never been higher in terms of social responsibility and environmental awareness, and as one of the industry's foremost players, it is up to us to support our customers in this transition. That's why today we're acting big, acting fast, and acting fair with the launch of our Sustainable Selection, a hand-picked, transparent and informed range of responsible products and solutions on offer in all the countries where we operate. Partnering closely with our trusted suppliers, we choose the most innovative technology to improve energy efficiency and promote renewable energy. We source the latest knowledge on environmental impact, and we set our sights on meeting the highest standards and regulations, both today and tomorrow. Rexel's Sustainable Selection products can be identified with this icon and have been assessed according to a set of bold, rigorous and progressive criteria. But we're just at the start of our ambitious journey. After its worldwide launch in 2023, the Sustainable Selection will continue to evolve dynamically as we raise our standards in anticipation of new regulations and higher market expectations. With the Sustainable Selection, we're acting today for responsible electrification. We're in step with the values of our customers, our partners, and society at large. We're making environmental impact a criterion of choice. Together, let's choose a more sustainable future.